Halfway between Memphis and Vicksburg, nestled in the heart of the Mississippi Delta, sits a small city with an outsized soul. This is Cleveland, Mississippi, where cotton fields shaped the culture, railroads built a city, and the music changed the world. Come fly with me. We start right in the heart of it all, Cleveland's historic downtown crosstie district, listed on the National Register of Historic Places. What you're flying over was once a working railroad corridor. When the railroad arrived in 1884, it transformed Cleveland almost overnight, drawing settlers, spurring commerce, and turning a small Delta outpost into a thriving county seat. Today, that old rail line is a beautifully landscaped greenway, the living spine of a walkable, vibrant downtown. Lining the streets, you'll find curated boutiques, art galleries, and antique shops, the kind of locally owned places that give a town its character. Cleveland's downtown doesn't feel like anything else because it isn't like anything else. The iconic Houghton House Hotel anchors historic Cotton Row, a Marriott tribute property with a celebrated rooftop bar. It is Delta luxury with its boots firmly on. The historic Ellis Theater keeps live music at the forefront through the Deep Roots program, spotlighting up-and-coming musicians and songwriters and connecting Cleveland's storied past to its creative future. History buffs won't want to miss the Martin and Sue King Railroad Heritage Museum, home to one of the largest O-gauge model railroad dioramas in the entire country, along with thousands of artifacts telling the story of how the railroad and the Delta grew up together. And every season brings something new to downtown Cleveland. The Crosstie Arts and Jazz Festival draws artists from across the Mid-South each spring. Oktoberfest fills the Greenway with vendors and live concerts every fall. And come November, over 1 million Christmas lights turn this corridor into one of Mississippi's most breathtaking holiday destinations. 50 nights of light. Downtown Cleveland isn't just preserved, it's alive. Now we ride north on one of America's most legendary roads, Highway 61. Musicians called it the Blues Highway, the road that carried the Delta Sound north to Chicago and out to the world. The fields stretching out in every direction tell the other half of Cleveland's story. Cotton built this region, and it was in these fields, on these flatlands, under these enormous Delta skies, that something extraordinary was born, a music that would move the world. Just miles from here sits Dockery Farms on the Sunflower River, widely regarded as the birthplace of the blues, where Delta pioneer Charlie Patton performed and a young Robert Johnson was turned away, sparking the legend of the Crossroads. Every mile of Highway 61 carries that history. Welcome to Delta State University, one of Cleveland's proudest landmarks and a cornerstone of the Mississippi Delta community since 1915. What began as Delta Teachers College has grown into a thriving university that serves the region academically, culturally, and artistically. The campus is home to the Matthew Sanders Sculpture Garden, one of the largest in the South, featuring over 50 striking sculptures from around the world displayed throughout the grounds. From the Mississippi Delta Chinese Heritage Museum to the Wiley Planetarium, Delta State punches well above its weight. And yes, the mascot is the Fighting Okra. You can't make that up, and you wouldn't want to. Right here on the Delta State campus stands the Bologna Performing Arts Center, the cultural crown of Cleveland. The BPAC brings Broadway touring productions, nationally acclaimed concerts, comedy, film, and dance performances right here to the Mississippi Delta. Proof that world-class entertainment doesn't require a world-class city. It just requires a community that values its arts. Cleveland has always been that community. The Grammy Museum, Mississippi, the only Grammy museum outside of Los Angeles, right here in Cleveland, Mississippi. The 28,000 square foot, $13 million facility is not just a museum, it's a declaration. Mississippi per capita has produced more Grammy winners than any other state in America. B.B. King, 16 Grammys, Muddy Waters, 7, and that's just the beginning of the list. We wrap our tour in Cleveland's elegant West End district, a destination unto itself. The Lyric Hotel anchors the district with upscale boutique accommodations, while the State House, a stunning two-story classic mansion featuring 13 suites and a sweeping wraparound balcony and veranda, offers guests a taste of refined Delta living that is equal parts history and luxury. The West End's dining scene matches its accommodations. The Farmhouse Table and 8 West Grill deliver exceptional culinary experiences that draw visitors and locals alike. Farm-to-table sensibilities rooted in deep Southern tradition. Cleveland, Mississippi, small town, massive story. Come experience it for yourself. I'll see you in the Delta.